Introduction to Sensitive Plus Self-Assessment Round 2, Assessment 2. These are the Assessment 2 questions. What is friend class? What is friend function? And use case of friend class and friend function. What is friend class? Friend class is a class derived from a class. If you have two classes like player and enemy, player is a class and enemy is a friend class. Then enemy class will able to access the private and protected variables or member variables or member functions of the class, player class. Okay, friend class is a class which is able to access private and protected members of the another class. Is this clear? We will see the syntax for how to derive friend class. This is the syntax. Exactly, player class and friend class is companion. Companion we see most of the games like pet with the players. Okay, we use friend keyword before deriving the class. So this companion class will be able to access all private and protected member functions and member variable of the player class. This is clear, I think. Friend function. Friend function is a function which will be same as class, which will be able to access private and protected variables and protected variable of the class. But the function friend function is not from the same class. It is from the different class. It will from the outside the class, which will be able to access private and protected variables of the class that called friend function. Okay, we'll see the syntax for how to derive friend function. It is a player class. We will derive friend function using friend keyword void player get help player. So using this function, we will get even though the player health might be the private member of the player class, but we will be able to get the player health by using friend function. Okay. Use case of friend class and friend function. See, we will have some variables we don't want to change without authorization. So so we can't derive all variables as a public. So we derive like first of all player health like player speed like this, player variables like whatever integers or float or double character whatever that few variables we want derive as a public and but we need to access outside the class as well. So then we can derive friend function or friend class to access those private variables or protected variables for class. We can access protected and private functions as well. So to access that private and protected variables or functions, we will derive class and functions. Okay, friend class and friend functions. This is the main use in the game development. There will be multiple uh, variables, multiple data that player will have, and they don't want change unless we want it. They don't need to be changed unless we want it from the our side, programmer side. So that's the case. We derive variables as private and protected, and we whenever we need to access them, we can use friend class and friend function. Okay. I gave that example. We let like position of and velocity might be private, so you won't know this thing position velocity. No need to change that randomly as per the outside by the outsider. So these things need to be private and protected. But physics engine we need to access them to perform any action. Okay, change in position or the position change, speed or velocity. So physics engine will be able to need to access these variables. So we can derive physics engine class as a friend class to the player class or game object class. So this is clear. Thank you. Hope all three questions are clear. Friend class and friend function. These are derived to access private and protected members of class. Okay, thank you.